All right, how you guys doing? We picked up another property over here. So we're just gonna do a little video walkthrough of this one on the inside. It's a nice 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It's got a new roof on it. So yeah, here we go. Okay, we just came in through the side entrance. There's no garage, carport. The previous tenants took the drawers out and the cabinet doors off. I mean, we may be able to do something with that, but we're not quite sure just yet. I don't know about this one. This one might have to be replaced. But countertops are decent. We're gonna get new windows in the whole place. Power's still on. Flooring is good. Probably just gonna roll with that. New windows are gonna go far. We need some drywall repairs. We got a couple nail pops in the drywall. No big deal, right? So, nice big open living room. More holes in the wall. Like I said, a couple nail pops. I didn't know if that was locked, right? All right. I didn't bring my light. I might have to get my light. But yeah, not too bad. Okay, I guess that little piece of drywall is for the attic. But if you could see up there, you could see that we got new wood all over the roof. This bathroom's awesome. I'm not doing a thing to the bathroom. Just cleaning it, doing what needs to be done. What's up? Sink's good. Everything's looking pretty good. That's weird. That's really weird. Why would you do that? Why are all the lights on too? Attic fan. You know, we're gonna have to do some touch-ups here and there. First one. So this is the weird thing. They got these tracks on these doors. I don't know what the God's name they were thinking. I mean, we could leave it like that? I don't know, man. That's the craziest shit I've ever seen. It's like they took the track out of the closet and put it there. I do not get that. Honestly, probably just gonna get the doors back there. Again, we're gonna get some windows. We need some paint. We got lots of paint here. Why would you paint the ceiling black? Ever. So this is normal. Track on the closet door. No, why the hell? Again, it's like they got it to where a track would be right here. I think that's the weirdest shit I've ever seen. I don't know about that. But I think this would be a rental. So a buy and hold rental. And just kind of, I don't know. See what occupancy inspection demands. A couple nail pops. Couple nail pops right here. We got a little half bath here. Nothing crazy in there. So I don't think we would really do anything. I might have to replace the vanity or fix that. I'm trying to keep this as cosmetic as possible, to be honest with you, because if we could get in and out of this thing really quick, and I mean really quick, that would be great. Got paint cans and shit. This stuff. Oh, let's paint. Oh, this isn't bad, but no one's gonna want black paint. They're crazy, man. Okay, so we got the 3.2 or 3.1.5. Yeah, thinking pretty cosmetic on the rehab here. Pretty cosmetic. That's gonna need a little bit of some windows back there. You saw me on the last one. I'm not afraid to tackle that. Coming right down here to the basement again with the pocket doors. Who in their right mind put pocket doors everywhere? Who does that shit? I'm gonna have to get a carpenter in here to fix that because I'm not fucking around with that. A little bit of drywall pop here. Oh, we're missing Damn, we're missing a tread right there. That's a problem. I'll probably have to redo the stringers here. Okay, we got a washing machine down here. Yeah. We have an updated, approved by the City of Flores and panel. Everything's looking pretty good. Don't see anything too crazy over here. Nice walls. This basement will be super easy to finish out. Yeah, not too bad. Furnace is new. So this place is great. It's got a furnace, it's got HVAC, it's got a new water heater, newer water heater. Look at that. You got the, all the plumbing's been done for you. This is definitely gonna be a buy and hold for me. And we got some paint in here. Oh, great. We do have some nice paint. So hopefully we could use that upstairs. Got some leftover flooring and more paint. I'm excited. I think this is all gonna work out. Yeah, so I don't believe I will be letting go of this one or signing this contract. I think I'll be holding on to this house. It's a no-brainer. You know, the HVAC is newer. You know, there's a lot of cosmetic stuff. Even if we redid the entire kitchen, that's so easy. You know, you could do a kitchen in a day once you get your measurements. So everything's looking good. I'm excited. Just kind of looking around one more time. Oh man, they got shit in the goddamn, look at this stuff.